Look at this right here. This is a fidget spinner that is just like the ultimate fidget spinner. This thing is just so cool. It's beefy, it's heavy, and yeah, the way it's weighted, it just makes it so easy to spin on your finger. But yeah, this is one of those things, if you just want to play around with something, just kind of like fidget with, that's the whole point of a fidget spinner. You're just looking for something to fidget with. Yeah, you can just spin this around on your finger. Just get really good switching between fingers. Some people are pretty awesome at this. I'm still getting used to it, which is great because, you know, instead of fidgeting around on your phone and whatever, you could try to learn a couple little hand-eye coordination skills. I also love that when you are spinning it, it almost looks like a blade, like it's some kind of a saw. So it's a bit scary, but obviously it doesn't hurt when it hits. So it's not like a real saw that's gonna cut you, but it does look like a saw when you're spinning it. Now, what makes this really cool is it comes with this little ultraviolet light here, and you give it like 60 seconds in lighting, and then you can turn the lights off and it'll glow and it will look really cool, just like that. It's really well made. It's built like great. It's like heavy duty, like it's really nice. You have to hold this in your hand, like it's weighted. It feels good. So it's not cheap. It's not like, it is a toy, but it doesn't feel like a cheap toy. It's like a really nice quality, high quality fidget spinner. And again, the fact that you can let it glow in the dark, it's really nice. So get all your fidgets out with this fidget spinner. It's a lot of fun. It looks so cool, huh? And I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.